bounds.
Okay guys, the lights have just arrived. As you see, they've just come in the eBay packaging here, so I've got some scissors ready to get the unboxing underway. So these are Uking lights. They are like a cheap version of other brands, and relatively cheap. I've gone through a process of buying really cheap lights so I can get them reviewed and that. Nothing special about the packaging. This is I think why they're a lot cheaper, because they're not spending as much on branding as you would expect with something like the leading makes. But most of these lights are made in the same factories, that's why these come out a little bit cheaper. So there we have one. So okay, let's start the unboxing. Here we go. So we'll do the first one for a start. Quite well packaged, as you can see. Got nice little bits of foam. Yeah, that's what I like to see when you're buying things. Remote control there. So that be able to choose some sequences on that. Oh, there's even two of them. Two remote controls. That's unusual. Comprehensive instructions there. These are just plug and play, but you can DMX them as well. So put that box to one side for now. So there's the instructions. Just one card of instructions there. And we can get this fella unboxed. Like I say, some nice bit of foam there. Even get the UK plug as well. So if you're in the United Kingdom, that's the kind of plugs that we use. We sometimes come with a 2-pin adapter if it's a 2-pin. So there you go, this is the Uking LED Derby. This is the small version of a big Derby light that you'd normally have. I usually use one on my stand. So as you can see there's a DMX in, a DMX out, and the standard IEC cable connector, which is one of the reasons why I bought this. But looking at this, it's quite sturdy. That's quite a nice sturdy handle there. I mean, usually these cheap ones have got really thin metal there, and it really does tend to buckle and everything when you're using them. So these will be going on a T-bar lighting stand, and I may use them on the other stand later on. So that is the front of it there. As you can see, it's got nice clear lenses on it. So what we'll do now is get it plugged in and see what it's like. So there we go, we've got some nice clear beams. This is quite close to the wall, just so you know that you've got the light round here, look. Nice, just doing some sequences. I've just plugged it in to the socket down here, that's why it's quite close to the wall, so you get an idea of what. Now this is the remote control here, and you basically got different settings for it. So you can, if you just look at the back there, it changes remote control here. That's quite good really. I mean, if I put it on A6 there, it's going to do a sequence of pre-programmed lighting there. So that's not too bad for a pre-programmed lighting sequence. So you get it doing something else. There we go. There's another one. And here we go with another one. And you can also speed it up as well with the remote control. So that's giving some nice bright vibrant lights out there. So that's not too bad really. I reckon that's going to be quite good on a gig. So if we just turn that round there, just turn that round there, you can see what I'm talking about there. It's got quite a nice strong beams there. So this is the gig bar. So what we had earlier in the video was the Derby lights made by U-King, or they are branded by U-King should I say. Like I said, very sturdy lights and not bad quality for what they are. We can turn them on and off like that with the remote control. We've also got the U-King power cans, which are the tri-LED power cans. These change different colours. They can do sound to light. They can also be DMX'd if you need to. Just get one from over here. So originally I had a set of these at the ends as well. So what I've done is taken them off now and changed them for these, so that this will help spread the light a lot more. They originally had the big Derby light at the top there, in the middle as well, which spread the light. I mean, this is a really good light as well, but it was just a little bit too bulky for what I wanted to do. I just want something I can just pick off the stand and take with me. I don't really need to take the lights off, so I can just be putting it in the back of the van and setting off and going home basically. So it's just a quick, easy setup for small gigs where I need to be in and out really quick, and I don't want to be spending a lot of time taking equipment down and undoing lights. So these lights are very inexpensive to buy, so it's not cost me that much to make up. I already had the T-bar, bought some cabling. This is actually excuse me. This is actually Pondflex. It's a rubberized coax cable, which is ideal for doing this. It's also black as well, which is great. So that can just go behind there and hides all the wires. So all these wires are being tie wrapped in as well and joined into a junction box at the back there, which is an external junction box, which you don't really need an external junction box, but the only ones that make them like that, so that it makes it a nice tidy finish for the lighting. So there you go. This is a gig bar. These are the Derby lights. These are the power cans. So that's as easy as it is to make a gig bar. You can pick and choose what lights you want. You can do what you want with it, and it's very easy to set up for these low-key events. If you are doing something a bit more special, then probably invest in more better lighting, but you could always put this up in a corner somewhere and just to enhance any dance floor if you needed to, so it can be added on to something else as well. So once again, this is the gig bar that I've made. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'm sure we'll be making some more videos in the near future. So check out the other videos, and I'll see you guys again in another video soon.